Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Miele Classic C1 cat and dog bagged canister vacuum in its elegant Lotus White finish. If you're a pet owner or just someone who wants a vacuum that delivers consistent, powerful cleaning, stick around because we're about to break down everything this model has to offer. Let's start with the basics. The Miele Classic C1 is equipped with a 1200 W PowerLine motor, delivering impressive suction power designed to handle everything from everyday dust to pet hair. It's a bagged canister vacuum, which means it's built to keep debris securely contained in its 4.8 cute dust bag. So it's a solid pick for those who want to minimize dust exposure when emptying the bin. The 29.5 feet operating radius gives you the flexibility to move freely around your space. And with the electro-telescopic suction wand, you can adjust the height for a truly customized clean. When it comes to cleaning performance, Miele has designed the Classic C1 with pet owners in mind. The Electro Plus floor brush is fantastic for deep cleaning carpets, getting into those fibers to lift embedded dirt and pet hair. Then there's the Mini Turbo Brush, small but mighty, perfect for picking up pet hair and lint from upholstery or hard-to-reach areas. If odors are an issue, the active air clean filter neutralizes pet smells, which can make a world of difference, especially in homes with furry friends. As for its filtration system, it's top-notch. The Miele air clean filter system uses a multi-layer design, including a motor protection filter and exhaust filter, capturing over 99.9% of fine dust. So, if allergies are a concern, this model is a solid choice for a cleaner, more hygienic home. Now, let's get into real-world testing. Setting up the Miele Classic C1 is a breeze. The vacuum comes with a range of accessories, including the Electro Plus floor brush, Mini Turbo Brush, Parquet Twister floor head, upholstery nozzle, crevice nozzle, and dusting brush. You'll have no trouble cleaning everything from carpets to delicate hardwood floors, upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. Performance-wise, it shines. On carpets, it pulls up dust, debris, and pet hair with ease. And on hard floors, the Parquet Twister glides effortlessly, leaving a spotless finish. The Mini Turbo Brush excels in tight spaces, making it a great tool for cleaning around furniture or for quick touch-ups on pet beds. As for potential weaknesses, it's worth mentioning that bagged vacuums, while great for hygiene, may require more maintenance than bagless models, especially in homes with heavy traffic or shedding pets. Also, while the vacuum's 1200 watt motor offers strong suction, it's not the quietest out there, so if you're sensitive to noise, that's something to keep in mind. When considering value for money, it's essential to look at what the Miele Classic C1 offers. Its powerful suction, specialized pet tools, and filtration system make it a standout in its class. However, at its price point, it's competing with other high-performance canister vacuums, some of which may offer similar or even superior features at a slightly lower cost. But if you prioritize hygiene, durability, and pet-specific features, the Miele Classic C1 justifies its price tag. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, there are alternatives like the Shark Navigator Liftaway or the Hoover Wind Tunnel, which can offer solid performance for a lower price, though they won't match Miele's filtration or specialized pet tools. In terms of build quality, Miele sticks to its reputation for durability. The materials feel premium, and the vacuum is built to last. The dust bag is easy to replace, and cleaning the brush rolls doesn't take much effort. However, the vacuum's weight may be an issue for some. While it's not excessively heavy, it can feel bulky when lugging it up and down stairs or carrying it around for extended cleaning sessions. If you're someone who needs regular customer support, Miele's reputation for after-sales service is strong. Should you have any issues, Miele's customer support team is responsive and known for being helpful. They offer comprehensive warranties and a reliable service network, which is always a nice plus for peace of mind. Now, before we wrap up, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any more honest reviews. We've got plenty more content to help you make informed decisions. So, who is this vacuum best for? If you're a pet owner dealing with hair and odors, or someone with sensitive allergies, the Miele Classic C1 is a solid choice. Its filtration system, powerful motor, and pet-friendly attachments make it ideal for these specific needs. It's also a great pick for anyone looking for a vacuum with excellent maneuverability, a wide operating range, and long-term durability. However, if you're looking for something lightweight or a bit more budget-friendly, there are other options that might better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you've used the Miele Classic C1 yourself, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. The link to get it will be in the comments box below. Goodbye till next time, and remember, clean spaces, happy places.